Hey y'all, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have StitchFix Kids here with me today. So if you've been around here, I've tried several times for StitchFix for myself. I've tried a couple times for my husband, just not a match. We may be able to try the guys box again, but the women's box has been like super not a match. However, I've always had good luck with StitchFix Kids. So I ordered a box for my very girly 7-year-old and my not so girly 10-year-old. We are on our 4th box with keeping nothing for the not so girly 10-year-old. This last box, which was the 4th box, she did keep 3 items, maybe 4 items. And that's, I mean, you get 10 items per box out of like 40 items that have been sent. So not really good odds. But my girly girl, my very stereotypical girl, 7-year-old, keeps keeping all of the items in her box. So I've kind of come to this conclusion. If you have a very stereotypical girl and a very stereotypical boy, StitchFix Kids is a really good match. The price point is very fair. It's about $10 per item. The styles are cute. The clothes wash and wear fairly well. Not super great, but not bad by any stretch. And so I do recommend. Now, if you have a non-traditional kiddo, like I have a non-traditional girl, not necessarily a match. So that's my feedback on that. So if you fall into the percent of like, yeah, I have the stereotypical girly girl or boy, check them out, because in this box, she got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items. She kept all 10 items, loved them. In fact, you're about to see her in all of them because she was like, we need to model this for the Pink Envelope. And I was like, okay, let's go. And I asked the oldest, who only kept a few items, do you want to model? She's like, no. Like, why would I do that? So there's a little taste into their personality. Of these 10 items, the total came to $204. But when you keep everything in a box, they take 25% off the total. So that removed $51, meaning the total came to $153. Of course, I paid my $20 style fee, so that dropped it down to $133. So I want to count the style fee. So $153 divided by 10 is $15.30 per item, plus tax. Shipping is free. So as you're going to be able to see here, she got some great items. She got 2 dresses, 3 shorts, is that right? And 1, 2, 3, 4 tops. So here is the overview. Talks all about the products inside, a little note from my stylist and all that good stuff. I miss Pleased as Punch. I did 0 work. She loved, my girly girl, my youngest, loves it so much. She got on, she answered all the questions. She did her style swipes and thumbs up and thumbs down, everything on her style swipes, and then ordered her box. And so, yeah, look, literally, she left me with a pile of tags and that's it. So if you want to see my youngest epic StitchFix Kids try on, here you go. you can tell she was really hating those clothes, huh? She's like already ready to order another box. And I'm like, hold up, like, let's get your wardrobe capsule together. Let's get your winter stuff out. Let's find out what your needs are. And then we'll order another box. So I have to say, there are some nuances to this recommendation. However, if you have a daughter like mine, if you guys have boys, I don't have boys, so I would love to hear from a boy mom on what your experience is with Stitch Fix Kids. Before recording this, I did talk to a couple of boy moms on the Ask the Pink Envelope Facebook group, and they gave me thumbs up. So I do have real recommendations, but I would love to hear y'all's stories. So in the comments below, share with us your experience with Stitch Fix Kids, where you've seen wins and losses. Paige, who you were just watching, is all wearing smalls in size 7. And then my older, who's 10, was wearing size 10 in large. And yeah, it was just okay. I'll see if I can sneak a photo or two of her in, but I doubt it. Okay, guys. We have so many more unboxings coming your way. We're about to hit the big summer hauls. All the summer boxes are about to release. We've got some really cool new boxes popping up that I cannot wait to share with you guys. So if you have not already, subscribe to the channel so you can kind of peek in and find some boxes that are gonna save you time, gonna save you money, and that you're gonna have fun with. I hope that you have an absolutely amazing day. And if you subscribed, I'm gonna see you later. Bye, y'all.